We're going to law 11, offside. Law 11 says it is not an offense to be in an offside position. A player shall only be penalized for being in an offside position if he's involved in active play by interfering with play, interfering with an opponent, or gaining advantage by being in that position. Let's go to the law. Let's go to the clip. Here we see a ball play by River Kutse. When we draw the line from the leg, we can see that there's a leg of Miguel there putting Lucas on side. If they can hold it there, they can hold it there. I want to take it back. I want to take it back there. Yes. And stop it there. So that babona wong ya ibambala. Can bone inyawo laka Miguel putting Lucas on side. We see here Allende is offside. But it's not an offense to be in an offside position. We can see Renas is offside, but it's not an offense to be in an offside position. Now, when we release, when the ball is played, you can see that the player is from an onside position, and then he attack, he make a cross, a goal is scored. This goal was scored correctly in line with the loss of the game. Let's go to the next one, Ma'au. Right, we talking of the gadget, Ma'au. We saw a gadget given a red card. Now, what does the law say? The law says gadgets are allowed. But then this gadget was given a red card.
Why?
I don't know. But let's go to the law so that we understand what does the law says. The law says the use of any form of electronic communication equipment is permitted in the game to be used by the technical officials. However, a team official who uses unauthorized equipment or he behaves inappropriately as a result of this equipment must be sent off. So here, the wrong equipment, if you can play, the wrong equipment was sent off instead of a coach or whoever is using this. So vice versa. Someone should have been sent off, not the equipment. I want to say totally red card. This was incorrect application of the laws of the game by the match officials. Okay. Let's go to the last one. Here we're talking of a goal scored by Kaizer Chiefs. Let's see what the referee saw in this match. Let's go to the clip. You can see Umtuduzilana make a cross, and then Miguel there headed the ball, and then and it ended up in the net. But there's a player who's down there. Something happened. Let's look at the position of the referee when this infringement occurred. You will see that the referee there, let's look at the referee there. You can see that the referee is blowing the whistle for a foul. That is a push that happened inside the penalty area because there's a player who's down there. So now this foul, this whistle came before the ball entered the net. So now here there's a push, and the law says a goal is scored when the whole of the ball crosses over the goal line between the two upright posts beneath or under the crossbar, provided no offense has been committed by the team scoring the goal. So now, is there an offense committed by the team scoring a goal? Yes, what the referee saw. There was a push that the referee blew. So correct decision by the referee to do a push. And then because we did not have a good angle, I don't know if you have another good angle. Can you help us?
Well, I mean, what I could do is, you know, there were 80,000 plus people, and we live in a time of social media. So there is an angle that could perhaps help us a little bit better there. It is a phone and not one of our cameras, but right there, there's a push there, Miguel to Musa Libusa. The problem is, we can see there's a push.
Yes.
Many would come out and say, yeah, but this is a physical game. This is a physical game. We're allowed to be physical. Why is that being reffed?
Let's correct it, You cannot use hands. You can use the ball, but once you use hands, football does not allow you to use hands. You can use hands in rugby, volleyball, not in football. Anything you do with the hands, it's only the goalkeeper who is allowed to can use the hands. So here we can safely say with the evidence we have, we can support the referee that a correct decision was taken at the end of the day.